Understanding cheesecloth, a versatile kitchen tool. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting term used in both cooking and English idioms: cheesecloth. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video will shed light on what cheesecloth is and how it's used in different contexts. Cheesecloth is a lightweight, gauzy, cotton fabric with a loose weave. It's primarily used in cheese-making to strain curds from whey. Its unique structure allows liquid to pass through while keeping the solid parts contained. Cheesecloth isn't just for cheese. It's also used for straining stocks, making spice bags, and even in non-culinary ways like polishing surfaces. In the kitchen, cheesecloth is incredibly versatile. You'll find it in various scenarios. 1. Straining liquids. It's perfect for removing solids from stocks and broths, ensuring a clear, smooth texture. 2. Making spice bags. Chefs often wrap herbs and spices in cheesecloth to infuse flavors without leaving residues. 3. Bundling herbs. Similar to spice bags, it's used for bouquet garni in soups and stews. 4. Wrapping poultry or fish, to keep them intact during cooking. Interestingly, cheesecloth has found its way into English idioms. For example, thin as cheesecloth implies something is very thin or transparent, often used metaphorically to describe weak arguments or flimsy excuses. Caring for cheesecloth is simple. Wash and dry after each use. If you don't have cheesecloth, alternatives like fine mesh strainers or coffee filters can sometimes be used, depending on the task. We hope this video has been insightful in understanding what cheesecloth is and how it's used both in the kitchen and in language. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but also about the culture and practices they represent. Until next time, happy learning!